Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Honda Accord Touring in Platinum White. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, rear bumper parking sensors, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 11.8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6452A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.